Hi everyone, welcome to the next edition of Site Spotlight, and today we're diving into Targetwise.io, and we're starting off strong immediately. While reviewing this website, I noticed that their proposition is really clear. It says building powerful WordPress websites to grow your business and boost results. There is no unclarity of what they're doing, and it's very clear to me what I can expect from them. And I also think the paragraph below explains really nicely what it is that they do. So that helps. It doesn't need me digging through the weeds to find out what it actually does. This is very clear, and I like that.
Yeah, and I mean, there's two buttons below that,
Yeah,
um, and that's where I start to struggle a little bit because there
I
is
understand.
a sort of red rounding around this "Speak with Us" button. Um,
Vaguely.
yes, and hovering it doesn't make it any clearer. Uh, the free website audit doesn't have that, but there's more red elements on this site.
Yeah,
For example, when you hover the menu. And from a contrast perspective, from an accessibility point of view, that contrast is not even close to what it should be to meet accessibility standards.
and that's
This
frustrating.
problem becomes even bigger when you switch the site to dark mode. I have a little browser add-on. Thank you, Iris, for recommending that. Um, what it does add when you switch to dark mode is this starry sky. It's
Sparkles.
gimmicky, but I absolutely love it. But what you immediately see is that the menu goes to visited links, which makes it even harder to see. There's blue on blue with a very vague gray bar around it. So accessibility wise, dark mode causes even a bigger problem. So let's quickly disable that. Um, there's more red text on the page, and that is extremely hard to read if you
Yeah.
are visually impaired, especially for the colorblind.
And I think
Um,
there's also a lot of contrast checkers that you can add to your Chrome extension as a Chrome extension and stuff like that. So make sure to check that to see if it passes the contrast check.
yeah, for sure. A really easy tool to use, and it has a nice browser add-on, is Wave. You can
Yeah.
just, and then it will give you, as you can see, a lot of errors on very low contrast. And it puts icons next to it so that you can see where this happens on your page.
Yeah, so this is
It's
super
an
actionable.
easy way to see what you should be improving. Speaking of improving, those paying close attention to the tabs I had open see that there was the structured data analysis tool. It's called Classy Schema. And so we added Targetwise.io to the Classy Schema viewer, and that gives us this. And I've made a screenshot so you can see it even better. And this is two disconnected graphs.
Yeah.
And that's not very helpful because the graphs, the schema, you usually use to interlink the relations between objects. And now on the homepage, we have an FAQ page object that's completely separate from the page itself.
Yeah.
So that's not super helpful. One of the potential solutions to prevent this is installing Yoast SEO. It has a really nice schema API built in, and you can use Yoast SEO's FAQ block, which will automatically integrate all of your FAQ into the single graph. So that could be a super quick way to solve this problem. Now,
Hmm.
there's something really nice that we looked at, right, Iris?
I think the portfolio was really stood out to us because we had a look through the portfolio, and while scrolling down, you see there's different types of companies all over the world as well. And I think there is a marine section, recruitment, art gallery, even. So it really displays the broad range of businesses that they do business for. So I think that would really help me to see, oh, is there someone that I can identify with and find something that would fit my needs. So that's really good, and they've done this really well.
Yeah, I definitely like the sort of broad bandwidth of styles that they can build.
Yeah.
So well
Love
done,
it.
Targetwise.io.
Good job.
And with that, we've reached the end of this site spotlight. Thank you very much for volunteering your website. If you want to have your site on Site Spotlight, make sure to let us know. Thanks for watching. We know your time is valuable and we're glad you spent some of it with us. If you got value from today's video, go ahead and like, leave a comment and hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss the next tip. And if you're ready to keep going, check out another video right here. We've got more ways to help you level up your website without the overwhelm.